So today we'll be making a blue rice, the easiest recipe there is. So we just need a rice. We just need to have this mixture of warm water, not like hot water, mixture with a blue flour ternate, and of course you need a rice cooker. So for this one, I'm gonna show you a clip how did it turn blue. So you just need to wash your rice, just the usual, just the usual thing, and then that's basically it. Wash it one more time. This is just a little bit over 1 cup rice. And what you do? Not really sure I was cooking much, but I mean, you can also do directly put the blue butterfly pea here before you put the water, but so you have your clean rice here. So instead of just the usual water, you're just gonna put this one here. That's it, and then we're just gonna wait until it will be done. So here you have it, blue rice is ready. Look at how even the color blue there is, and then we're just gonna do the plating. I just cook chicken curry, and that's it. So this is not the final product of our blue rice from our blue ternate flour, and I matched this with the best chicken curry there is. Of course, my chicken curry that I just cooked. So we've got this perfect meal. So if you know, let me know if you have questions. And it's time now to take a bite. Thank you for watching.